You're over 40. You're amazing. You're just getting started. Forget any outdated notions about age. This is your time to shine, to chase dreams, and create a life you love on your own terms. You bring a lifetime of experience, wisdom, and a whole lot of badassery to the table. The world is buzzing with opportunities for women like you. It's time to ditch the doubts and embrace the possibilities. You are capable of anything you set your mind to. Whether you're looking for extra cash, a creative outlet, or a chance to be your own boss, the side hustle life awaits. So are you ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur? Are you ready to design a life filled with passion, purpose, and a whole lot of fun? Let's do this!
The beauty of a side hustle is that it can be anything you want it to be. It's a chance to explore new avenues and discover hidden talents. Tap into your passions, interests, and skills. Think about what you love doing in your free time. What lights you up? What are you naturally good at? These questions can guide you to the perfect side hustle. Love to bake? Turn your kitchen into a delicious side hustle with custom cakes or homemade treats. Share your culinary creations with the world. Passionate about writing? Become a freelance writer, blogger, or editor. Share your stories and ideas with a wider audience. Got a knack for organization? Offer virtual assistant services or professional organizing for busy individuals. Help others streamline their lives. The possibilities are endless. Teach online courses, offer consulting services, sell handmade crafts, become a personal shopper, or dive into the world of social media management. There's something for everyone. The key is to choose something that excites you, something that makes you want to leap out of bed in the morning or stay up late after everyone else has gone to sleep. Find your passion and turn it into a rewarding side hustle. Take some time to brainstorm. What are you naturally drawn to? What skills have you honed over the years? What problems can you solve for others? Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Your unique talents and experiences are valuable. Maybe you're a whiz at gardening, a pro at photography, or a natural-born teacher. There's a market for everything these days, and with a little creativity, you can turn your passion into a profitable side hustle. Remember, your side hustle should light you up, not burn you out. Choose something that feels aligned with your values, your lifestyle, and your goals. This is about creating a life you love, not adding more stress to your plate. Need a little inspiration? Sometimes, all it takes is hearing about someone else's journey to spark your own motivation. Let's meet some amazing women over 40 who took the side hustle plunge and are now rocking it. These women have turned their passions into profitable ventures, proving that age is just a number. Meet Sarah, a former teacher who turned her love for gardening into a thriving online business, selling organic seeds and plants. Her green thumb and dedication have blossomed into a successful enterprise. Or how about Maria, a retired nurse who now offers life coaching services, helping other women navigate midlife transitions with confidence and grace. Her empathetic approach has made a significant impact on many lives. And then there's Lisa, a corporate executive who launched a successful jewelry line in her spare time, tapping into her creative side and building a brand that celebrates women of all ages. Her designs are now cherished by many. These women are proof that it's never too late to pursue your passions and build something extraordinary. Their stories show that with hard work and dedication, dreams can become reality. Their stories are a testament to the power of determination, creativity, and a belief in oneself. They remind us that every small step can lead to big achievements. Let their journeys inspire you to take that leap of faith and create your own success story. The path to success is paved with courage and perseverance. Ditching the excuses, you've got this. Now I know what you might be thinking. I'm too old, I don't have enough time, or I don't know where to start. These thoughts can be overwhelming, but they are just that, thoughts. Listen up, badass. Those are just limiting beliefs trying to hold you back from your greatness. You have the power to overcome them. Age is just a number. It doesn't define your capabilities or your potential. You have wisdom, experience, and a resilience that younger generations can only dream of. These are your superpowers. Time? We all have the same 24 hours in a day. It's how you use them that counts. It's about prioritizing what matters most. Focus on what will bring you closer to your goals. And as for knowing where to start, that's what this video is for. It's your roadmap to success. So ditch the doubts, silence those negative thoughts, and step into your power. You are stronger than you think. You are capable of amazing things. Your potential is limitless. Believe in yourself, embrace the unknown, and get ready to create a side hustle that lights you up from the inside out. The journey starts now. Baby steps to big dreams. Getting your side hustle off the ground. Starting a side hustle doesn't have to be overwhelming. Begin by dedicating just 30 minutes each day to research, brainstorm, or take action on your idea. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Create a simple business plan outlining your target audience, your offerings, and your marketing strategy. Don't overcomplicate things. Start small, test your ideas, and adjust your approach as needed. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Join online communities, connect with other entrepreneurs, and seek out mentors who can guide you along the way. There's a whole world of support out there, ready to cheer you on every step of the way. More than money. The empowering perks of side hustling. Of course, earning extra cash is always a bonus, but the benefits of a side hustle go far beyond financial gain. It's about rediscovering your passions, exploring new possibilities, and stepping into your full potential. It's about having the freedom and flexibility to design a life that truly lights you up. Imagine having more control over your time, your income, and your future. Imagine waking up each day feeling excited about your work and the impact you're making. Imagine the sense of accomplishment and fulfillment that comes from building something from the ground up. That's the power of a side hustle. It's not just about the money. It's about creating a life of purpose, passion, and endless possibilities. Your time to shine. Embrace the side hustle adventure. So there you have it, amazing women over 40. The world of side hustles awaits, brimming with opportunities to unleash your inner entrepreneur, explore your passions, and create a life you love. Don't let age, doubt, or fear hold you back. You are capable of incredible things. Trust your gut, take that leap of faith, and watch as you create a side hustle that brings you joy, fulfillment, and a whole lot of badass success. Your time to shine is now.